Everybody keeps telling you the same thing. If you didn't plant your garden back in spring, you already missed your shot for the year. Well, that's completely wrong. July might just be the most underrated planting window of the entire season, and almost nobody talks about it. While your neighbours are giving up on their beds, letting them go bare and brown, you're about to fill yours with vegetables that actually love this heat. So stick with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 15 crops you can plant right now and still harvest before the year runs out. Here's what most gardeners completely miss. The growing season doesn't end in June, not even close. July opens the door to something called succession planting, and it's the quiet, secret weapon of experienced growers everywhere. The soil is warm, the days are long, and seeds germinate faster now than at almost any other point in the year. That means quicker sprouts, faster growth, and vegetables that reach your plate while summer is still going strong. Some of these crops crave the heat and they'll reward you in just a few weeks. Others are cool season champions. You start them now so they mature beautifully as the temperatures ease into early fall. Now, not every vegetable belongs in a July garden. Some simply won't have enough time to finish. And that's exactly why choosing the right crops matters so much right now. So grab your seeds, clear a little space, and let's start with one of the easiest winners of them all. That first winner is the humble bush bean, and nothing rewards a late start quite like this crop does. Unlike pole beans that climb and take their sweet time, bush beans stay compact and sprint straight to the finish. Drop them into warm soil and you can be picking tender pods in about 50 days. They love the heat. They quietly feed your soil with nitrogen, and the more you pick, the more they hand back. Few vegetables enjoy July as much as cucumbers do. If your spring planting is already fading, this is your second chance at crisp, refreshing harvests. Cucumbers adore warm soil and long, sunny days, which is exactly what's on the menu right now. Pick a fast variety, keep the water steady, and within weeks, those vines can be hanging with cool green cucumbers ready to pick almost every single morning. Now, here's the surprising part about zucchini. People swear it's a spring-only vegetable, but that couldn't be further from the truth. One healthy plant sown in July can easily pump out dozens of fruits before the season ends. Give it room, give it rich soil, give it steady moisture, and soon you'll be swimming in more squash than you know what to do with. And this is where things get interesting. Carrots planted in the heat of July often taste sweeter than the ones you sow in spring. As they slowly mature into the cool nights of fall, their sugars concentrate into something almost candy-like. Sow the seeds shallow. Keep that top layer of soil moist while they wake up, and stay patient, because the reward is a basket of crisp, sweet roots worth every single day of the wait. Beets are the dependable friend of the summer garden. They grow fast, they brush off the heat, and they hand you 2 harvests in one. Earthy roots below, tender greens above. Sow them now, thin them once, and just let them get on with it. Now, if you crave instant gratification, radishes are your answer. These are the fastest crop on this entire list. Some varieties race from seed to harvest in just 3 or 4 weeks. In fact, plenty of gardeners pull their first radishes before the lawn even needs mowing again. Tuck them between slower crops, water them regularly, and watch how quickly they reward you with that first crunchy bite. Swiss chard earns a spot in every July garden for one simple reason: it refuses to quit. Plant it once and it keeps pushing out leaf after leaf for months on end. its bright pink and gold stems glowing against the dark soil. It laughs off the summer heat. It shrugs off a light autumn frost. Harvest the outer leaves, let the center keep climbing, and it just keeps giving. Quick pause here. Which of these vegetables are you planting this month? Drop a comment and let me know. And if this is helping you out, tap that like button so more gardeners can find it. All right, let's keep rolling because these next few crops are some of my absolute favorites. Believe it or not, kale is a vegetable that actually gets better the longer it waits. Start it now and something wonderful happens down the line. When the cool nights of fall roll in, kale turns sweeter, more tender, quietly shedding that bitter edge everyone loves to complain about. Give it sun, give it steady water through summer, and it'll hand you hardy, nutritious leaves long after other plants have thrown in the towel. Spinach, though, spinach is a little fussy, and timing is everything. It leans toward cooler weather, so late July is the sweet spot in regions where the fiercest heat is finally starting to break. Give it some afternoon shade, keep the soil cool and damp, and you set the stage for a lush late summer crop of tender leaves. Don't surrender your salads just because peak summer showed up. Lettuce can absolutely thrive in July if you outsmart the heat. Reach for heat-tolerant varieties, tuck them into partial shade, and keep the soil evenly moist so they don't bolt and turn bitter. Sow a small handful every couple of weeks, and crisp, fresh leaves will keep marching onto your plate right through the warm stretch and into fall. Turnips might just be the most underrated vegetable on this whole list. And July suits them perfectly. They mature fast. They're wildly versatile. And just like beets, they give you two crops in one. The roots are wonderful, roasted or mashed, and the leafy tops are absolutely bursting with nutrition. Sow them directly, thin them as they grow, and enjoy a harvest that quietly surprises almost everyone. This next one catches almost everyone off guard with how easy it really is. Green onions are low maintenance, quick to establish, and shockingly productive for the tiny sliver of space they need. Slot them into corners, along edges, anywhere nothing else will grow. Snip what you need, and they'll often regrow for a whole second round. If you love fast results, bok choy is one of the best quick Asian greens you can plant right now. It grows in a flash. It carries a mild, satisfying crunch, and it shines in stir fries and soups. Sow it in July, and you could be harvesting in as little as a month. Keep it well watered, give it a touch of shade in the harshest afternoons, and it'll outperform every expectation you had for it. Peas, now, peas come with one condition attached. They're a smart pick, only if your summers stay on the cooler side. In milder climates, a July sowing sets you up for a lovely late season harvest of sweet, crisp pods. Give them something to climb, keep them watered, and let the gentler temperatures do the rest. If that sounds like your region, don't let the chance slip by. And we finish with broccoli, the crop that truly rewards a little foresight. Here's something worth knowing. Plenty of gardeners swear that fall broccoli tastes dramatically better than the spring version because it matures in exactly the cool weather it craves. Start now with young plants or seeds. Keep them fed and watered through the heat, and by autumn, you'll be slicing off thick, flavorful heads, while everyone else has already packed away their tools. Now, before you rush off to plant, let me hand you 3 quick tips that make all the difference in July. First, water smarter, not more. Deep, less frequent watering pulls the roots downward and builds tougher, more resilient plants than a light daily sprinkle ever could. Second, protect those young seedlings from the intense afternoon sun. A simple shade cloth or even a taller neighbouring plant can shield them through the harshest hours and save them from scorching. And third, feed consistently. Summer growth is fast and it's hungry, so a steady supply of balanced nutrients keeps your crops surging forward instead of stalling out. So here's the takeaway I really want you to hold on to. July is not the end of anything. It's one of the very best months of the entire year for succession planting, and now you know exactly how to use it. Every seed you tuck into the soil this week becomes a harvest in late summer and fall, while everyone else is still wondering where their garden went. The truth is simple. Small actions today create real abundance tomorrow. So don't wait until next spring, and don't let this window quietly slip away. Start today, even with just one or two of these crops, and watch what happens. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which vegetable are you planting first? Tell me in the comments below. And if this gave you a fresh reason to get back out into the garden, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next, because the best gardens are grown by the people who keep planting when everyone else has already stopped. Your fall harvest starts with the seeds you put in the ground today. Happy planting.